Right chaps, this is Coach's lockers that he couldn't open up and sent it to Dogman. He couldn't open it up. Sent it to me, I couldn't open it up, and as you remember I more or less threw it at the missus and said, do you want to go? And 10 seconds later it was open. Bitch. And as a thank you, Coach sent her this bling padlock. Lovely, beautiful pink padlock encrusted with diamonds. She was over the moon, thanks Coach. And she says she's going to be putting this on a suitcase when we go on holidays. Right, the object of the exercise is to do a Bertie. Yeah, right. But anyway, let's have a go. Okay, now it's a bit sparkly, isn't it? Oh God. Christ, that's a little kiwi. Anyway, let's see what we've got. We might have something. Might be able to get it. I didn't even put a pick in that. How's that for a Bertie? Oh bloody hell, Coach. Not much not very difficult that, is it? For fuck's sake. Very secure, but a beautiful lock. Thanks very much, Coach. Cheers, pal.